Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Artistic. My name is Tez, and this is the podcast where we make the world's most difficult conversations happen. But today, for a change, we have a fun filled episode. So, today, our amazing guest, who is a full time filmmaker based in Toronto, he is also the host of a podcast called Let's Beat the Mediocrity, on which I'm not invited yet. But he's the nicest human being you will ever find. He's none other than Karan Narula. Hi, bhai.
I heard clapping in the background. ऐसा कुछ डाल देगा ना तो बाद में जब तुझे
हाँ
introduce
डाल देंगे
करेगा
उसमें
उसके
क्या
बाद.
है कोई टेंशन नहीं है
Hello everyone, nice to meet you. As Kshitij already introduced me, तो I don't think उसके अलावा कुछ कहना चाहिए मुझे. By the way, it's very early morning in Toronto, तो if I look like a person who just woke up, तो you get it right, it's the truth. तो मैं just अभी सो के ही उठा हूँ और that's why I look like shit. Sorry इसको अगर beep करना हो कर लेना तो, but that's how I speak. So, but anyways, yeah, I'm really excited to be here, Kshitij. Kshitij,
थैंक यू for
Kshitij,
doing this
I don't know how to pronounce her name, bro. I'm
कोई
gonna mess
नहीं
it up
कोई
like
नहीं
1,000 times. ठीक है? So sorry about that.
अरे
But
कोई
yeah,
नहीं
guys. So
इसमें
yes, I'm really happy to be on his podcast, and this guy is gonna be there on my podcast very soon. So let's see वो कब होता है. फिर podcast का second season I'm going to start coming week.
हाँ
Let's see. Yeah, तो next week से मैं उसमें जैसे ही क्षितिज का नंबर आएगा I'll probably know.
सही है तो अभी कोविड का सिचुएशन कैसा है वहाँ पे
It's cool. It's definitely way better than what it used to be. So up, it's not. Again, definitely we all wear mask. If we go outside, we try to keep ourselves safe and the others as well. But it's not that bad. हर चीज खुल गई है, malls खुले हैं, और you can go to restaurants and stuff. Restaurants खुल चुके हैं, and so I think everything is fine. Touchwood पहले से तो बहुत अच्छा है. जो बीच में it's like all सब कुछ बंद हो गया था. बढ़िया. सेकेंडली एक और अच्छी बात यहाँ पे है कि नंबर्स आर इंडिया में तो इट्स लाइक एन इनसेन नंबर. यहाँ पे नंबर्स इतने सच में इंडिया में तो नंबर गिनने इतने तो गिनने मुझे काउंटिंग भी नहीं आती. बट तो यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक वेरी लो. तो अब कम हो रहा है टचवुड. तो अच्छा है. बढ़िया.
कम हो गया मतलब अभी नॉर्मल हो रहा है वहाँ पे लाइफ सही है
यस कंपैरेटिवली नॉर्मल हो रहा है.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस कि हम लोग कैसे मिले थे तो आई वॉज इन दिल्ली विजिटिंग तरुण कुकरेजा. तो दे बोथ वर हैविंग ए कोलैबोरेशन एंड मैं उनके साथ मतलब ऐसे टैग अलॉन्ग कर दिया क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ करने को था नहीं. तो फिर व्हेन आई मेट हिम ही वाज लाइक द नाइसेस्ट पर्सन आई कुड एवर फाइंड. आई मीन मतलब इतना ज़्यादा मतलब you will never see him like not smiling. He's like 24/7. It's like the smile is like pasted on his face. It's like I mean I was not.
अब मैं ऐसे बैठ और मुझे पूरे टाइम स्माइल के साथ बैठना पड़ेगा. शिट वीडियो क्यों हो रही है ये? अब तूने इतना हाई बेंचमार्क सेट कर दिया. बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट ब्रो. कैसे करूंगा मैं ये? But yeah, I think it's kind of I try to keep a smile always on my face.
Right.
Life is tough ना, तो at least show okay you're happy. अंदर से क्या पता किसको क्या है.
True. You were also like कि मतलब पूरा टाइम he was like कि बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो मतलब even if he's just walking he's like it's beautiful. You're such a like genuinely तब भी बोला था मैंने you are genuinely such a nice human being. मतलब it's hard to find such people.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, तो फिर what did you think about me when we first met?
I don't know,
कि
you were
कहाँ
very
से आ
quiet,
गया
to be
बंदा
honest.
पता नहीं.
नहीं ऐसे to be honest ऐसा कुछ मैंने सोचा नहीं था. It's always better if you have more people.
हाँ
क्योंकि usually अगर आप एक random, क्योंकि तरुण से I was meeting for the very first time.
Right.
और तो मेरा छोटा भाई मेरे साथ आया था.
Right. Shout out to Bunny Narula.
Yes, yeah. Shout out to Brendan Narula. He's also a content creator.
Yep.
I think, yeah. तो अगर what I was saying is basically अगर तरुण अकेला आया होता तो he might have felt a little left out. So it's better कि उसके पास भी he had a bunch of friends whom he knew पहले से. मेरे पास I had my younger brother, तो even I wasn't feeling left out. And anyways, the company was really cool. So it's always better to have more people. And you were very chill. And Yujita was there. So it was a very nice environment. And it was cool. So, but talking about your first impression, I'm gonna say you were very quiet initially. कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा था. Because it was basically that Kshitij is here, but he's physically here. कुछ बोल नहीं रहा था, बट लेटर जैसे टाइम बीतता गया he started giving in his input and stuff. मैंने एक वीडियो क्षितिज के साथ भी उस दिन शूट किया.
Right. And it was not supposed to happen. मतलब out of nowhere you were like कि कूद जाता है, like jump करते हैं.
Yeah, and it was such a very on the spot shoot, and it turned out like really cool.
Yeah. I still remember the caption. It was something like when you get out of school और छुट्टी होती है, ऐसा कुछ था caption video का.
I think yeah.
Yeah, it was
was a
like
funny
multiple me video.
So yeah, you can add my Instagram का handle यहाँ पे and people can see it. So
Yeah,
अभी तो I don't know
I'll
तू
do
जब भी
that. Yeah.
post करेगा, maybe side में वीडियो अगर चला सकता है उसको तो
हाँ
चला
हाँ
दे,
चला
people-
देंगे. Right. So I wanted to ask, पहला question is कि how did you discover your love for filmmaking? Like I remember once we were chatting or something, and you were like कि you are so young and you found your passion. It took me a little bit late. I think I remember something like that, something like this. ऐसा roughly कुछ हुआ था. तो you were like,
Oh,
how
okay,
did you find
yeah.
it?
Okay. So yes, yeah. So for people who don't know, I'm already 26 years old and I'm actually an engineer. तो मैंने अपने लाइफ के 4 साल इंजीनियरिंग इंडिया में पढ़ा and then फिर I came to Toronto. यहाँ पे I studied engineering for 1 more year. But then I realized कि यार this is something which is not I really enjoy doing and stuff. Although पढ़ तो लिया था. And it's like a notion, right? If your scores are nice and you're good at maths and stuff, you're supposed to be an engineer. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा choice देते भी नहीं है. And I wasn't really aware.
Right.
So it's not just कि तो इसमें मेरी भी गलती थी. तो यहाँ पे जब आया और 1 साल मैंने इंजीनियरिंग यहाँ पे पढ़ा. I completed that program. और उसके बाद there's this thing in Canada. If you study for 2 years, you get a 3-year work permit. तो मुझे 1 साल कुछ और पढ़ना था. So everything happened like it wasn't supposed to be. भगवान ने कहीं ना कहीं से इशारे दिए and it's like it happened. तो my next program which I had to take, I was like, man, engineering तो बहुत पढ़ लिया. And I was always interested in photography, filmmaking, videos and whatnot. But it's not like, okay, I wanted to be a filmmaker. That was never the case. I just got into it. तो मैंने program लिया, which was media communications. So everything happened, I mean, somehow. It was not supposed to be, but I'm glad that it happened. So I took media communications, which is a program. It teaches you photography, videography, and there are so many other such digital content creation related stuff होता है उसमें. But it was a very basic program. It's a diploma program. And I was a postgraduate person going for a diploma program from being a postgrad. So it was kind of weird. People were laughing at me, to be honest. People are really laughing at me. कि करण क्या कर रहा है? It's a बेवकूफी. So, but I was like, it's okay यार, 1 साल तो पढ़ना है and stuff. तो
Yeah.
मैंने जो प्रोग्राम लिया, it was 2 साल. मैं 1 साल से भी नहीं, मैंने 2 साल पढ़ाई की extra. तो but anyways, I took this program and I started the program in September. October 7th को मेरा बर्थडे आता है. तो everyone wish me on October 7th अगर ये podcast से पहले रिलीज हुआ तो मैंने बता दिया यहाँ पे. Anyways, तो October 7th को मेरा बर्थडे आता है. सितंबर में मेरा प्रोग्राम शुरू हुआ. I was like, man, मेरा बर्थडे तो आ ही रहा है और इस प्रोग्राम में कैमरा की जरूरत होगी. It wasn't required to buy a camera because हमारे कॉलेज में you can not rent, basically borrow a camera. So you don't have to pay for it. क्योंकि ट्यूशन फीस में सब इंक्लूडेड है वो. तो you never, I was not supposed to buy a camera. मैंने कहा चलो इस बार अपने आप को बर्थडे पे खुद को ही गिफ्ट कर देता हूँ मैं एक कैमरा. So I consulted one of my teachers and he suggested me a camera, a Nikon camera. I hated it. No, I mean, no. I didn't hate it. It wasn't the best camera in the world, but अब मुझे उन्होंने suggest किया तो मैंने बिना सोचे समझे buy कर लिया कैमरा. I bought this camera and I started playing around with it. And bro, I fell in love. I fell in love with the concept of photography. I fell in love with the concept of editing. Editing, to be honest, initially my biggest how can I say, my biggest asset over everyone या फिर just वो था कि मेरे क्लास में सब बच्चे फोटोग्राफी यूजुअली जो थे कर रहे थे. Everyone was doing it already. I was someone who is coming from an engineering background and somehow got into media. So मुझे कोई आइडिया, पर मेरी editing skills, I think I worked on it a lot. I did a lot of editing and stuff. So I got really good at it real fast. तो बस वहाँ से शुरू हुआ. And initially तो basically वो editing का जोश था कि editing के through I was like lifting up my videos. Now later I realized that editing is something which is secondary. The first thing is if you shoot better in camera, तो उससे बढ़िया कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So now I'm actually doing, now I can kind of call myself a cinematographer and stuff because when I shoot stuff, when I shoot people and things, I think about all those aspects of lighting, all those aspects of composition and stuff. Initially it was basically कुछ भी shoot कर ले, editing में तो तू कुछ ना कुछ change कर ही लेगा.
Right.
That was basically it. But yeah, it started as a fluke, to be honest. कोई intention नहीं था to be a filmmaker, to be a content creator. There was no intention, but it just happened, and I fell in love with it.
Destiny. Fuck.
Seriously. I hope you're okay.
Yeah, bottle गिर गया बस.
Oh, okay, no worries.
Right. So something similar happened with me. मतलब 11th 12th में I prepared for engineering. JEE का एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए 2 साल फुल कोचिंग वोचिंग के साथ.
Classic. Nothing new. Everyone does that.
So yeah, so I did that, and for example, like day after tomorrow is JEE का एग्ज़ाम, and today I decided कि मेरे को engineering नहीं करना है.
Wow.
So that's how I left it. And then I was just going around and मतलब कैमरे का शौक मेरे को बचपन से ही था. मतलब फर्स्ट कैनन का था मेरा पॉइंट एंड शूट. तो तब से आई वॉज बॉर्न इन उड़ीसा. तो वहाँ पे आई वॉज बॉर्न इन अ सिटी वेयर इट वॉज नियर टू द बीच 10 किलोमीटर्स के आसपास. तो आई यूज़ टू गो देयर रेगुलरली एंड बीच के फ़ोटोज़ लेना आई यूज़ टू लाइक. तो फिर वहाँ से आई स्टार्टेड. देन वो ऐसे ही मतलब टाइम पास के लिए करता था मैं. फिर आई डिड दिस मतलब 2 साल का प्रिपरेशन एंड देन मैंने ड्रॉप कर लिया वहाँ से कि अभी मेरे को इंजीनियरिंग करना ही नहीं है. तो फिर आई वाज लाइक कि कुछ तो बैचलर डिग्री होना चाहिए ना, वरना फिर मतलब सोसाइटी. तो फिर
I know.
तो फिर आई वाज लाइक कि कोई ना, अभी मैं सर्च करता हूँ. तो फिर आई गॉट इंटरेस्टेड इनटू ह्यूमंस. दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट इनटू साइकोलॉजी. आई एम साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट सेकेंड ईयर.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that.
हाँ, नो वन मतलब ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता.
Okay.
या
Probably that's why people, if you don't follow him on Instagram, this guy posts some really deep stuff. I was very scared. I'm still very scared about the podcast. कि शायद मुझे पता है तू मेरे से कुछ खास फोटोग्राफी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेगा. मुझे डीप सवाल आए, I would be like that. I would be like choke to soap. मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पाऊंगा, ठीक है? I'm not that deep of a person. Deep talk नहीं कर सकता.
कोई
But yeah,
नहीं, कोई नहीं.
people, you should follow this guy on Instagram if you're not.
मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे मुझे शाउट आउट.
Right. Just saying.
सही
It's
है,
like a
सही है.
testimonial.
तो आई वांटेड टू नो, मतलब अभी थोड़ा सा फन स्टफ कि इज़ देयर एनी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी अबाउट एनी ऑफ योर क्लाइंट्स की कुछ ऐसा मतलब फ़नी सा हुआ रहेगा या फिर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग.
To be honest, every shoot is interesting. Every shoot is something new and weird
ट्रू.
happens. तो ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. Something very weird जो कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो मेरे साथ क्लाइंट में. मेरे साथ एक interesting. Okay, I can tell you about a story. It wasn't for a client. It was like a passion project, but it's really funny. So I want to go for that, I guess. So my client नहीं है उसमें. There was just this friend of mine. I was making a video for a company. He was just say, it's like a company जो कि टोरंटो के बारे में news basically. It's like a news channel but a fun news channel. They make videos about Toronto and stuff and all those cities around Toronto. उनके लिए एप्लीकेशन एज अ वीडियोग्राफर वीडियो एडिटर का एप्लीकेशन था. उन्होंने बोला था कि आपको वीडियो बनाना है, एक 60 सेकंड का वीडियो, एंड एक्सप्लोर वन प्लेस इन टोरंटो. तो आई वेंट टू अ पार्क, अ फैंसी, इट्स रियली फैंसी पार्क जहाँ पे मैं गया शूट करने के लिए. आई वेंट देयर और आई वाज शूटिंग दिस गर्ल हु वाज काइंड ऑफ अ होस्ट, प्लस शी इज वेरी बबली एंड अ वेरी नाइस पर्सन. तो शाउट आउट टू आस्था चावला. तो आस्था, दैट्स हर नेम, एंड शी आल्सो डज वीडियो मेकिंग, फोटोग्राफी एंड स्टफ. तो इवन देयर वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, आई वाज तो उस दिन से एक दिन पहले या थिंक या उससे उसी दिन आई थिंक बारिश हुई होगी, पता नहीं. तो दैट वाज लाइक काइंड ऑफ मडी हो जगह, एंड देयर वाज लाइक अ अप हिल स्पॉट जहाँ पे हम ऊपर जाते हैं. तो हम ऊपर गए वहाँ पे बिकॉज वी गॉट द सनसेट वाला व्यू. जब वहाँ से नीचे आ रहे थे इट वाज मडी ना, काफी मडी था वो. और आई काइंड ऑफ, मैं क्या कहते हैं
रोल्ड
उसे,
ओवर.
या आई रोल्ड. वो मेरे हाथ में कैमरा है एंड लेंसेज हैं और कैमरा बैग है, एंड ऑब्वियसली मैं खुद ही हूँ और सारा मडी था. मैं क्या घूमा वहां से, क्या पूरा का पूरा कीचड़ में लथपथ. और इट वाज रियली फनी. आई काइंड ऑफ सेव्ड माय कैमरा, मेरा लेंस काइंड ऑफ गॉट रियली डर्टी. So that was weird, but fun part is that I never stopped shooting because हमारे पास एक दिन था शूट करने का. मुझे नहीं पता कि वो वापस कब आएगी और कब हम शूट इकट्ठे कर पाएंगे. तो मैं स्टिल उसी गंदे कपड़ों में इंस्टा, वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड था, पॉन्ड का पानी गंदा था, गंदा पानी. उसी गंदे पानी से आपको साफ किया सारा कुछ, and we continued shooting. So that was really fun. People who were there in the park, they were like giving me weird looks, but I was like, man, you have to do it for the love of this job, for the love of
Yeah, that's passion.
photography making. So yeah, so I have to do it. और पता नहीं कब मौका मिले. So that was a really cool scenario. I cannot forget it because it was very embarrassing, to be honest. जब मैं गिरा तब भी because it's a very famous park, it's a very famous, there were people around. जब मैं गिरा तो obviously it was embarrassing and मैं still shoot कर रहा हूँ नहीं गंदे कीचड़ वाले कपड़ों में. It was very embarrassing, bro. I cannot forget it.
कोई नहीं, होता रहता है ये सब.
बहुत I don't think इतना बुरा होता होगा किसी के साथ यार. मेरा पिक्चर्स I'll send you, या यहाँ पे दिखाइए, I'll send you
हाँ
later.
हाँ.
कि कैसा लग रहा था मैं. It was weird.
अच्छा, सही है. तो what's the difference between have you, मतलब इंडिया में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स किए कभी?
मैंने नहीं, as I mentioned, I only started doing this when I came to Canada. इंडिया में तो I was
Yeah,
a
but
total engineer.
इंडिया का कुछ मतलब आउटलुक एक्सपीरियंस होगा ना, मतलब बनी कर रहा है तो फिर.
Oh yeah, I've heard things, but I by myself haven't done any like a paid gig. Yeah, खुद मेरे पास कोई experience नहीं है इंडिया का सच में अभी तक.
तो what do you think is the difference between इंडिया
जितना
का
जितना मैंने
थिंग
सुना
एंड कनाडा का?
जितना मैंने सुना है, I really think if you're a new filmmaker, photographer, I think इस फील्ड में if you're in India, you have a better chance of popping up. क्योंकि इंडिया में there are like so many छोटे छोटे brands जिनको everyone needs video content, everyone needs
राइट.
digital content, not just video content. So there are so many छोटे छोटे brands जिनको you can approach and you can create stuff for them, maybe for cheap initially, but you can do it. Canada makes like a monopoly kind of a thing. There are only the big shots are there. जो भी छोटी छोटी कंपनीज आती हैं, they either don't have any funds to pay और एडवर्टाइजिंग के लिए, और अदरवाइज छोटी कंपनियां होती नहीं है. इट्स लाइक बिग कंपनीज एंड बिग कंपनीज हायर द बिग नेम्स ऑब्वियसली. तो यहाँ पे इफ यू वांट टू स्टैंड आउट, यू हैव टू डू स्टफ ऑन योर ओन बेसिकली इनिशियली. इंडिया में भी ये कर
राइट.
सकते हो तुम ऑब्वियसली. इफ यू हैव a nice Gucci jacket, you can just wear that Gucci jacket and model को पहना दो and whatnot and shoot it and make a fashion video out of it. So you can definitely do it. यहाँ भी कर सकते हो, but यहाँ वहाँ पे you still have chances of working with the smaller brand. Let's say that वो smaller brand है कोई Gucci का ऊंची ना करके, ऐसे बहुत छोटे इंडिया में छोटे ब्रांड्स हैं, है ना.
राइट.
तो and everyone needs content. तो there are people who might hire you and who might even pay you to create a portfolio. यहाँ पे it's difficult in this term क्योंकि छोटे ब्रांड्स कम है, और अगर छोटे ब्रांड्स हैं तो they have no chances of competing with all those big brands क्योंकि यहाँ पे people are they don't go for छोटे brands. सच में यहाँ पे it's basically a lot. जो बड़े brands हैं वही चलते हैं, और मैं जैसे बताया it's a monopoly. तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आई थिंक थोड़ा सा नए लोगों के लिए, पीपल हु आर न्यू इंडिया या फिर ऑल दीज डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज आर वेरी नाइस इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो.
राइट.
और डेफिनेटली आई वुड से कि वंस यू आर अ ग्रोन, मतलब वंस यू आर अ वेल नोन नेम इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, तो मुझे नहीं पता इंडिया में कितना पे होता है. यहाँ पे तो यू गेट पेड रियली गुड. दोज पीपल जस्ट बीइंग cinematographers, if you do cinematography on a one day gig, you get paid in like thousands of Canadian dollars. So it's a good amount. That's like just shooting ka. You're not even editing, you're just shooting and you're getting paid like maybe $1,500-2,000, which is like around 1 lakh रुपए India.
राइट.
It's a good amount, I guess, just shooting के. तो
सही है.
पर मुझे नहीं पता इंडिया में क्या होता है. तो still इंडिया में भी I think people are paying for it. But India it's मेरा छोटा भाई इंडिया में, तो he does some work. I think editing jobs वगैरह इंडिया में is like very very cheap.
राइट. बहुत कुछ मार्केट ही नहीं है उसका.
या बहुत ही चीप है, और तो that's really sad. तो जब मुझे कोई इंडिया से क्लाइंट अप्रोच करता है, बिकॉज आई पोस्ट सम स्टफ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब एंड व्हाटनॉट, एंड इफ दे फाइंड मी, आई लिव इन कनाडा, तो मेरे लिए वो इंडिया के 1-2 हज़ार रुपये कुछ भी नहीं होते. 1-2 हज़ार रुपये इंडिया के इज बेसिकली लाइक $20-30. $20 में मेरा 1-2 बारी का कुछ खाना भी नहीं आता. इट्स सो चीप, और मैं फिर वो नहीं कर सकता. आई हैव टू फाइंड वर्क. यहाँ पे एडिटिंग का, यहाँ पे यू गेट पेड कंपैरेटिवली बेटर एडिटिंग के लिए. बट अगेन डिमांड्स आर डिफरेंट. इंडिया में जो डिमांड होती है एडिटिंग की, इट्स लिटिल डिफरेंट. दे डोंट रियली केयर अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स एंड स्टफ. यहाँ पे पीपल डू केयर अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दैट.
राइट. सो हाउ डू यू लिविंग वाइज कैसा डिफरेंस है इंडिया और कनाडा में?
The living conditions for sure it's better here. For sure. Yeah. In terms of the lifestyle, even if you're not India, you can enjoy all those luxuries if you belong to above middle class. या फिर और एक मिडिल क्लास सुपर रेंज क्या होती है, हाई क्लास,
अपर मिडिल क्लास.
या तो अगर तुम इसमें आते हो तो only then you enjoy all those luxuries. यहाँ पे तो even if you're paying, even if you don't have your own place, you still enjoy AC, you still enjoy the गर्मियाँ हैं तो गर्मियों में everything is like in circulated, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं होता कि आपको गर्मी लग रही है, आप पसीने मर रहे हैं stuff. Even if you go
राइट
outside, तो it's just अगर आप कोई नॉर्मल रेगुलर बस में भी चढ़ जाओ तो it's like AC वाली होती है बसें, तो वो अच्छा है. ठंड थोड़ी होती है बट ठंड में एवरीथिंग इज लाइक, फिर वो हीटर लगे होते हैं हर जगह पे, दैट्स आल्सो रियली कूल. पानी की दिक्कत नहीं है. देयर आर सो मेनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ना, जो मैं भी इंडिया गया था रिसेंटली नवंबर, एक साल हो गया एक तौर पे, नवंबर 2019 में. तो
अच्छा
इट वाज बेसिकली व्हेन आई वाज देयर आई रियलाइज्ड कि ये छोटी 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 चीज़ें मेंटली या फिर इतना इफेक्ट करती हैं आपको कि कभी आपके घर में पानी नहीं आ रहा है, कभी लाइट चली जाती है, या फिर
ट्रू
गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा है कि यू कैन नॉट फोकस, यू कैन नॉट. तो बीइंग प्रोडक्टिव इन इंडिया इज वेरी, इट्स काइंड ऑफ वेरी डिफिकल्ट मेरे हिसाब से. अब मेरे तो कि नाउ आई एम यूज्ड टू ऑल दीज फैसिलिटीज जो कि आई कंसिडर as ke these are fundamentals, and these are fundamentals. You need to have water supply all the time, you need to have
राइट
electricity all the time, you need to have ठीक ठाक atmosphere, shanti. We are recording a podcast in the middle of the day, so not middle of the day, it's morning, sorry.
या दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई आई सेड कि रात को करते हैं इंडियन टाइम में बिकॉज
तो obviously you're like poo poo pee pee, पीछे गाड़ियां चल रही हैं, पता नहीं.
like right even though I live like 15th floor पे but still and it's like a little bit far from the road, मतलब रोड और हमारे बीच में एक पार्क है, still आवाज़ आती है दिन को.
Wow, see, so that's kind of, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें, आई थिंक इट इफेक्ट्स अ लॉट, इट इफेक्ट्स अ लॉट.
राइट
तो आई थिंक ये एक बहुत छोटी चीज़ है, ये बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करती है. अदरवाइज इट्स ऑल, यहाँ पे मॉल्स हैं, इंडिया के मॉल्स है, यहाँ भी लोग काम करते हैं, वहाँ पे लोग काम करते हैं. इफ़ यू आर गुड एट योर स्टफ, आप इंडिया में अच्छे पैसे कमा सकते हैं. इंडिया में एवरीथिंग इज चीपर, तो फॉर श्योर. आप अगर ऑब्वियसली कैनेडियन, अगर आप अपने यहाँ के डॉलर्स कंपेयर करोगे इंडिया में, तो यू आर अर्निंग गुड. बट यहाँ पे चीज़ें भी तो महंगी है उस हिसाब से. तो लिविंग कॉस्ट बहुत महंगा है यहाँ पे, तो दैट्स ऑल्सो जस्ट, जो जिस रूम में मैं रहता हूँ, आई पे लाइक 40,000 रुपीज़. अगर इंडियन में कन्वर्ट कर लो, इट्स लाइक अ ह्यूज अमाउंट.
राइट
तो बट इंडियन रुपीज़ के हिसाब से आई बेसिकली अर्न कैनेडियंस में, तो मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता उतना. मुझे पता है यहाँ पे इतना किराया है. और आई ओनली हैव अ रूम, इट्स लाइक नॉट आई हैव अ प्लेस, इट्स जस्ट अ रूम इन अ शेयर्ड हाउस.
राइट
बट एनीवेज, तो ये सब चीज़ें आई थिंक इंडिया इज गुड, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If I get a nice decent job, I would love to come back to India for sure. But who knows?
राइट so you like Canada better.
Biggest subs, yes. Looking at the
Yeah.
conditions now, the way India is handling coronavirus versus the way Canada handled coronavirus, massive difference. So, जब मैं, and I'm not saying कि Indian government अच्छी नहीं है ऐसा कुछ.
राइट
It's इतनी population है, they are जितना भी try करें वो, so it's difficult to manage it. It's a pandemic in the end. So, but Canada, they did a very good job. The numbers are declining, and it's almost next to, बहुत ही मुश्किल से दिन के, I don't know, 500-700 केस आते हैं और कनाडा, पूरे कनाडा में.
Oh.
And Canada is also huge.
huge yeah
So yeah, but so there are things which have made me. But it's been 4 years कि मैं कनाडा में हूँ, 4 साल हो चुके हैं इस चीज़ को.
right
जब मैंने आया था कनाडा में, I used to hate it. तो perspectives change.
starting with the perspective thing, I wanted to ask ki when did you realize ki being nice is the key, मतलब being always smiling and those kind of stuff is
Bro, I don't know. This is something which comes.
there has to be some time क्योंकि कोई मतलब no one is मतलब बचपन से ही कोई ऐसे हंसते हंसते नहीं होता, मतलब it's probably in the teenage, I guess, I hope.
I have no idea. Such this is something which you say, and actually a lot of people say. Uh, I really think I think I have taken advantage of this thing. Okay, I speak very politely. I think that's one of the biggest thing.
Right.
Smiling, I still don't know okay, if I smile a lot. But coming,
I wouldn't say a lot because that sounds negative. I would say कि smiling all the time, मतलब एक when you come it's like एक positive energy की, मतलब एक ocean आ जाता है positive energy का when you walk into any room.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. We have only, by the way, guys, we have only met for the एक बार ही मिले हम, and Kshitij knows.
Still it's a huge thing for me because I don't मतलब not boasting but I don't remember people मतलब in general इतना ज़्यादा कि they leave a mark on my mind, but you did.
I hope कि ऐसा कुछ हो, सुदेश तेरी बात बिल्कुल सही है, I really hope. But to be honest, I really don't think कि कभी मेरे लाइफ में मुझे ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ कि okay, I need to be nice to people more or stuff. तो मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं. It definitely has come naturally to me. और if I have to give someone credit, तो I think मेरे मम्मी पापा, because they have been raised like, this may sound really wrong, but बहुत ही जैसे बिल्कुल ही, हालांकि I was 18 or something, still I was being treated as a kid, एक बच्चे की तरह. Everything was being served to me and stuff. तो
Me
मैंने
too, same.
सच में कभी कोई खास, वाह, तो मैंने कोई खास हार्डशिप्स शायद लाइफ में बच्चों ने देखी नहीं. तो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स द वर्ल्ड वाज वेरी नाइव. इट्स ओनली आफ्टर आई केम टू कनाडा एंड आई वाज लिविंग बाय माय सेल्फ, और आई
Right.
केम टू कनाडा एंड व्हेन आई वाज 23 इयर्स ओल्ड. जब मैं 23 साल का था, आई केम टू कनाडा एंड आई स्टार्टेड लिविंग बाय माय सेल्फ. तब आई रियलाइज कि पीपल, दे आर नॉट वेरी, हाउ कैन आई से, not everyone is very polite and smiling, and some
True.
people are like always frustrated and stuff because they, and it's not like it's there in their nature. It's something because I guess life
Of
के
their
hardships and
environment.
stuff they have made him. Yes. तो उसकी ऐसे है. बट जब मैं घर में होता था तो मुझे कोई इतना फर्क नहीं. मेरे मम्मी पापा मस्त अपना हंस रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे हैं स्टफ. मेरा छोटा भाई इज आल्सो लाइक अ रियली कूल पर्सन. तो आई थिंक जो मेरा, एंड माय फैमिली वाज माय बिगेस्ट सर्कल उस वक्त पे. I had a lot of friends, but I only had like 3 best friends. तो हम 4 का ग्रुप था, मेरे को मिला के 4 हो गए. और everyone was like मस्त, कोई कोई खास होने की परवाह नहीं है, कोई ऐसे नहीं कि जॉब क्या करेंगे, वो है. कॉलेज लाइफ जितना शायद मैंने एंजॉय किया अपना कॉलेज लाइफ, आई डोंट थिंक किसी ने भी एंजॉय किया होगा. पता नहीं मैंने, इफ आई शुड, आई कैन क्लेम दिस, बट आई हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट. एंड इंजीनियरिंग इज लाइक, पढ़ाई मुश्किल होती है, बट वी वर एबल टू डू फुल फन, फुल मस्ती. अब तो आई थिंक जो बचपन से मुझे ये सिखाया है, मतलब कि कोई खास मैंने हार्डशिप्स देखी लाइफ में था, लाइक ऑलवेज खुश मस्त, जो करना है करो, कोई इतना वो नहीं है. तो आई थिंक बस वही इट हैज कैरिड ऑन अभी तक लाइफ में. क्या स्टिल थोड़ा सा केयर फ्री वाला एटीट्यूड है कि ठीक है हो जाएगा ऐसा ऐसा, which is not good, but still,
But it's
I'm like
needed.
इतना कुछ नहीं जरूरत. Oh, it is needed for sure. In this age of anxiety and people, I don't know, because I know a lot of people who are like, who think a lot about the future. Even I do. अब जाके, because मेरी भी शायद उसे ऐसी एज आ रही है कि I consider 26 as a big number. Or when I see people of age just like you, people who are 19, 20 year old doing such great stuff, so then I feel conscious. I feel like insecure कि यार तू पीछे लाइफ में. That's what I feel. So but I try to not make that feeling make me.
Sorry to cut you off, but मैंने पहले भी बोला था, इट्स लाइक कि इवन 36 इज़ नॉट ए बिग एज फॉर मी, बिकॉज थ्रू माई पर्सपेक्टिव आई सी लाइफ की, ओके आई एम टुडे 19, तो 10 years later आई एम गोना बी ओनली 29. मतलब इट्स नॉट बिग ऑफ ए डिफरेंस. सो वाई, मतलब मैं ऐसा मान के चलता हूँ कि I would probably live till 50, and 50 is a huge number. But till 50, I can, and I never want to spend any second regretting कि मैंने ये नहीं किया, ये हो सकता था, वो हो सकता था, या फिर इतना टाइम हो गया, या फिर कुछ भी. Because for me, it's like कि my main aim is to make people happy and be happy. बस उतना ही चाहिए ज़िंदगी में. और
That's very noble of you. I mean, noble of you. But I wish everyone used to, मतलब कि सबका ऐसा सोच नहीं होता ना सुदेश. That's the thing. I don't know. I usually never let this thought overcome मेरे अपनी feelings को, but sometimes it does. मैंने बताया ना कि, and it's being honest, it's the Instagram world जो we live in. I see all these brand new people doing such great stuff. तब I feel kind of कि bro.
My average time on Instagram is 37 minutes per day. I checked it
Wow.
today.
Wow, that's an achievement. Mine is like 3 hours plus, always 3 hours plus.
I left it when in middle, मतलब बीच में थोड़ा सा क्या हो गया था कि सीन ऐसा हो गया था कि चारों तरफ बस नेगेटिविटी थी कि ही डाइड, शी डाइड, इसका ये हो गया, वो उड़ गया। तो आई वाज लाइक कि फक इट, आई एम नॉट गोना यूज़ इट। तो फिर आई लेफ्ट इट कि आई जस्ट पोस्ट एंड 2-3 लोगों का चेक करता हूँ हु इंस्पायर मी, लाइक लोगन पॉल, रायन सरहैंट, 2-3 ऐसे लोग हैं, उनका बस चेक करता हूँ, देन आई कीप इट। सो दैट हैज़ हेल्प मी अ लॉट, क्योंकि आई फील एज गुड एज इंस्टाग्राम इज़, it's equally or probably more bad. It affects us very really badly.
I really agree, bro. I agree. ये बात तो है. So even I have, maybe even I'm thinking of kind of unfollowing a lot of people, but I don't want to because they are friends and stuff. And also there's a lot. It's a lot of chaos on Instagram.
I
I
know.
come on Instagram to look for inspiration. मुझे अपने दोस्तों का, I know I want to see कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं and stuff, but it's better to call them instead of seeing them
Right.
post every single day. So it's a weird situation with me because my Instagram time is a lot, bro.
I have 2 accounts, now 3, but mostly I used to. एक private है और एक public है. When I'm like really happy and free, I use the private one and check. I follow around 700 something people, and public वाले पे I only follow like 4 to 6 people. तो इट्स लाइक कि व्हेन आई एम स्ट्रेस्ड आउट एंड मोस्टली मैं पब्लिक पे ही पोस्ट करता हूँ जो भी स्टोरी वोरी ये वो। तो फिर आई चेक आउट ओनली पब्लिक वाला, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आई अनफॉलोड लाइक ए मंथ एगो एवरीवन, हर कोई। तो दैट रियली हेल्प मी, क्योंकि इवन probably sometimes friends even become toxic, which because for me my priority is my happiness. तो फिर वो मेरे को थोड़ा नहीं जम रहा था, तो आई अनफॉलोड एवरीवन। तो वो दैट हेल्प मी अ लॉट। यू शुड डू द सेम आई गेस। टेंशन नहीं लेने का ज़िंदगी में इतना।
नहीं यार, it's connections are very important.
कनेक्शंस,
Some people
नेटवर्किंग
may
डू
take just
मैटर।
take yes, काफी लोग हो सकता है कि just take unfollow बहुत ही जैसे मैं तो अपने just अपनी खुशी के लिए, and all these points make a lot of sense, but if I unfollow people on Instagram and maybe even if I follow back them on through a personal account which I create, so but who knows, काफी लोग उसको negative तरीके से ले सकते हैं. I don't want to.
That's fair enough, but before I unfollowed everyone I consulted my best friend. तो फिर she was like कि if they get angry because you unfollowed them, then that bonding or relationship does not really matter. Sorry, what did you say?
Now that you have, yeah, no. Even in midway of the sentence जब तू बोल रहा था ना, I realize it's a very good point.
Yeah,
कि
so
ऐसे
I
दोस्त
don't
चाहिए
really
कि जो एक follow किया से, yeah, this is a very petty thing.
मतलब care कि I don't really want to have those kinds of friends, because यार कुछ भी हो जाए इतना भरोसा है कि कुछ ना कुछ होके खाना पानी और बेसिक नेसेसिटी कंप्लीट हो ही जाएगी। तो वाई टू बी अपसेट ओवर समथिंग दैट यू कैन स्टॉप, कि वो तुमको अपसेट ना करे।
That's a really good point. That's a really good point.
तो वही मैं बोलता हूँ
I
कि
need to think. I need to think about it.
like even if they get
Seriously,
upset,
it's a really good point.
it's it then basically that relationship is toxic, and it's key. I always say this कि between two people it's always gonna be कि how far you can take me. The real bonds will always be there even if you leave them midway, बट जो फेक होता है ना वो इट्स ऑलवेज विल बी कि मैं तुम पे लटक के कितना दूर चले जाऊँगा, मे इट बी फिजिकल, मे इट बी फाइनेंशियल, मे इट बी इमोशनल, जो कुछ भी है। बट आई फील दैट वे एंड आई एम लाइक कि लेट्स जस्ट कट ऑफ दोज रिलेशंस विच basically harm my mental health, because it's not worth it.
Very true.
You can only fight so much for someone.
Very, as I mentioned already, guys, deep talks on this podcast. It's not about photography, filmmaking. If you clicked on this video or if you clicked on this podcast because of photography, filmmaking, forget about it. We gotta talk about deep stuff. But true.
Okay. Yeah, so let's move on to a lighter note कि if you were, let's say, 20 again, what did you say to yourself now?
But oh man, if I was 20 again
Mm-hmm.
and I know कि ये सब होने वाला है आगे,
Right.
ये पता है ना मुझे कि क्या क्या होने वाला है आगे लाइफ में.
Right.
तो आई वुड से कि एंजॉय कॉलेज लाइफ इवन मोर बिकॉज 20 के वक्त मैंने कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर दिया था. आई विल नॉट लीव कॉलेज. मैं मजे कर रहा था 20 साल की उम्र में. आई वुड से कि एंजॉय इवन मोर. डिग्री जो जॉब मिली थी कोडिंग से ही मिली थी एंड आई वाज रियली गुड एट कोडिंग आई शुड से. आई स्टडीड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स उसमें जिसमें कोडिंग खास सिखाते नहीं है बस हल्का सा सिखाया था. बट आई वाज स्टिल एबल टू ग्रास्प अ लॉट ऑफ गुड स्टफ एंड आई वाज एबल टू अप्लाई इट. आई थिंक मेरे लॉजिकल स्किल्स वर रियली गुड. और तो आई वुड एंड आई लव्ड कोडिंग वो सब. आई एंजॉयड इट. तो आई वुड से कि थोड़ा बहुत अगर मैं और सीखता तो शायद मुझे हेल्प करता. बट आई वुड डेफिनेटली से माई सेल्फ कि एंजॉय कॉलेज लाइफ मोर एंड एज सुन एज आई ग्रेजुएट पिक अप अ कैमरा. तो आई वुड रियली से माई सेल्फ दैट कि मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरे में टैलेंट है फिर इवन आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स टैलेंट और इफ इट्स जस्ट शेयर हार्ड वर्क. तो
I think
because
it's a mix of both.
it needs to be a mix of both for sure. क्योंकि with zero talent even if you अगर जीरो को आप 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करो ना तो अब ऑब्वियसली जीरो ही आएगा.
Right.
तो एटलीस्ट मेरे पास 1 2 कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट तो होगा ही होगा नंबर पॉइंट
Right.
से. और एंड हार्ड वर्क से वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. So it's definitely, but I really work my ass off to be honest. I have these 4 years, these 3.5 years of my life that I have been in Canada. I've been working like an ass. So
I see you all the time कि ये शूट है वो इधर है ये उधर है. You are constantly working and अभी भी बोला कि 9 to 5 भी कर रहे हैं. तो फिर it's like you are really putting in the work.
yeah, technically I'm working 9 to 5 अभी जब मैं podcast यूज कर रहे हैं.
I'm really proud of you.
Thanks. I really try to maximize जितना मैं कर सकता हूँ अपने टाइम के साथ.
Right. Okay, so one final question. Tell me about your future goals, where you want to end up. Have you ever thought about it?
Yes. So I want to be a cinematographer making commercials. I like making B-roll and all of this stuff, but I'm sick of it right now. It's overly done. Everyone is doing it. I hate teal and orange. So, sorry,
Teal and
जो
orange,
लोग
oh my God.
जो filmmakers हैं only they would understand it. But my concept of photography filmmaking has changed, and अब मेरा गोल ये नहीं है कि I want to gather हजार followers and whatnot on Instagram and get a huge following. My goal is to land commercial jobs where I'm lighting stuff, where I'm directing stuff, where I'm using bade Arri, Alexa, Red cameras and stuff. So that's my goal. It is kind of जो मैंने बताया कि I want to use this materialistic cameras and stuff. It may sound materialistic, but मुझे पता है कि I want to step up my game of filmmaking and stuff.
Right.
So, and I think I have good knowledge about making videos and stuff. Good knowledge. I think मेरे पास एक advantage है कि I am not just a shooter, I'm an editor as well. So
Right.
जब you know both of these, so you shoot according to the edits and stuff. I really think I can be a really good commercial. I can make good commercials. I think it's just कि मुझे opportunities को ढूंढनी है. फिर I need to I just need to go for it. बस in the end मैं ही खुद को रोक रहा हूँ मुझे पता है. Right now I'm currently keeping myself occupied doing weddings and stuff. So which pays my bill and kind of helps me buy more expensive gear. या फिर ये सब चीजें. But it is something which I did last year. Last year शुरू किया मैंने तो I don't want to like let it go to waste. But probably next year say I will just wedding होते रहेंगे ऐसा होता रहेगा. Main goal is to become a cinematographer. I would join an agency and stuff and I would make good level के videos, अच्छे level के videos. So yeah, that's my goal अभी तक के लिए.
And on a personal level, ये तो professional हो गया.
Yeah. On a personal level, obviously, I think it's to learn every day कुछ ना कुछ अपने लिए. I want to build थोड़ा सा अपना body बहुत ही पतला सा हूँ मैं. Very slender. You have seen me in real life and height भी कोई खास लंबी नहीं है. I'm like 5'8". 5'8" भी शायद पूरा नहीं है. तो it's like height भी छोटी सी है मेरी. तो all these things.
मेरे तो आपसे भी छोटी है.
I know, but it's how you handle yourself. I feel insecure about my height क्योंकि and especially Canada में 5'8" is small. India में still
फॉरेन
height is
में
like
बहुत
average.
ज़्यादा स्मॉलर
Yeah,
राइट.
Canada में Canadians are like huge. I'm not saying just
या
height के point of view, they're huge. they're चौड़े भी हैं वो सब.
राइट.
So I feel like a बच्चा, and I get treated like a बच्चा. If you look like a बच्चा, you get treated like a बच्चा.
आई यूज्ड टू feel like that कि हाइट छोटी है. एंड then actually what happened कि बीच में when I was in 12th sorry 11th के ending में I met with an accident जिसकी वजह से मेरे को 1 month पूरा bed rest था. तो I gained a lot of weight तभी. तो तब से I am trying to lose it धीरे धीरे आई एम वर्किंग आउट ऑन इट. एंड फिर टाइम भी नहीं मिलता बिकॉज ऑक्यूपाइड इन सो मेनी थिंग्स. तो फिर आई यूज़ टू फील इनसिक्योर अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड देन जब भी मैं बाहर जाता था देन इट यूज़ टू बी लाइक कि आई डोंट लाइक यू हैव बियर्ड, आई डोंट हैव मच बियर्ड. लाइक थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रो हो रहा है अभी. आई एम स्टिल रियली यंग.
You're young. You're
तो
19,
फिर
I'm 26.
या तो फिर व्हेन आई गो आउट तो फिर पीपल स्टिल डिड नॉट यूज टू टेक मी लाइक सीरियस पहले. एंड आई वॉज रियली इनसिक्योर अबाउट इट कि द वे आई लुक and the physical things. But then I was like कि who cares, like if that's the real point when I started making impressions where I wanted to कि I wanted to be like कि हाँ ठीक है, this is I'm walking into this room, I'm gonna own it. That's what I feel every single time. And also a little secret कि even though sometimes I feel like कि my hair is too long or too short or my height is too short या फिर जो भी, I never let it show on my personality या attitude when I'm out. Whenever you will see me working या फिर in my own zone, तो फिर I'll always be like कि this is my field, I'm gonna own it. Even though I know something about it or not, मतलब मेरे को उसके बारे में कुछ भी पता ना हो तो फिर I'll be having the confidence of like Dwayne Johnson. Yeah, so why? Sometimes I feel like I'm overconfident, but then I'm like that's basically the reason I have got like 99% of the things in my life. Because
and it's I really think it's better to be overconfident than to be underconfident.
Right.
अगर आप underconfident आप कुछ भी नहीं करोगे. Overconfident still you will able to do like 50% of the job done. 50% शायद you will get failed, but at least you will do 50% extra.
Right.
तो underconfident से overconfident होना बहुत अच्छा है. People, I think they should take this lesson. I heard it on a podcast, and मैं तो obviously I'm not able to speak it aloud very very fluently ढंग से, but I don't know कौन सा podcast. I think there's this podcast, namely the Art of the Charm नाम करके podcast है. और they talk about, again, as you mentioned, on the topic of personal goals, self improvement and stuff. It's a really good podcast. So I really like this specific line that they used. Being overconfident, although people say you shouldn't be overconfident,
Right.
but being underconfident से ज़्यादा बहुत अच्छा है. You should be overconfident. कोई बात नहीं.
पहले I used to be मतलब overconfident, and sometimes I used to get, because I think personally I'm a really good probably a leader, because I get things done with people really fast. मतलब मैं मैनेज कर सकता हूँ चीज़ों को एंड आई विल गेट इट डन इन लाइक 5 minutes. तो फिर पहले आई यूज़ टू डू दैट. देन लेटर व्हेन इट वाज लाइक कि बिकॉज स्कूल में था, राइट, तो इट यूज़ टू बी 10 years I was in the single school, KV, केंद्रीय विद्यालय. तो फिर it was really comfortable for me. Then I got out of the school, then it was like थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे awkward हो जाता है कि now you don't have that चार्म और करिश्मा कि सब लोग आपको पहचानते हैं, सब लोग आपसे मतलब आपके साथ रहना चाहते हैं. तो फिर टू क्रिएट दैट अगेन यू हैव टू
लाइक फेमस किड इन द स्कूल. हां
या तो फिर अगेन टू क्रिएट द सेम थिंग, बिकॉज आई थिंक कि पीपल लाइक मी कैन नॉट लिव without the attention, without the like things happening around me 24/7, because it's silence. I can sit silently calmly like 1.5-2 घंटे के लिए आराम से, but it's like when I'm working I need people around me कि ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, तू ये कर, वो तू वो कर. तो it's like a really important thing for me. तो फिर when I found out कि these are the things I can do, these are the things I can get it done better than doing it individually. मतलब टीम के साथ में मैं बहुत अच्छा काम करता हूँ. तो फिर I developed, मतलब it's something my dad told me कि you need to develop the skills you already have developed. unless and until you find a new passion. तो फिर in like personality skills, not materialistic skill की ये accounting वगैरह etc. तो फिर because that really helps क्योंकि even when you go to these personality development classes and all, they also do the same thing कि they first analyze you कि क्या आप में है important skills and चीज़ें. With that they will probably like skill set उस side से improve करेंगे. But then later I realized there is this show called The Suits. I don't know if you have watched it or not. Lawyers guy.
I haven't watched it. Yeah, I haven't watched the whole of it, but yeah, I've seen it.
So Harvey Specter is the main character around which the show revolves. So I remember once he said कि it basically meant something कि if you are boasting about something, you gotta back it up. So now what do I do is when I make commitments that I don't know about. For example, if it's a really public situation for me कि अभी like probably 1500 people are watching us and you are like कि for example I don't know how to play chess and you are like कि you're like I challenge you on a chess game and I can beat you. तो फिर I'll be like कि fuck it, I'll do it. And then I'll probably ask for like 5 minutes. I need to pee or something, and I'll go quickly and search on Google, and I'll learn like almost everything that I can in that span of 5 minutes, and I'll come back and give it my best. That's what I have learned in like recent times after getting out of the school.
I agree. Bilkul, that's a really good way to learn new skills and stuff. Get yourself stuck, commit to yourself or commit to people actually. So I heard the same thing. कहाँ पे सुना था मैंने? There's this, I don't know, not a lot of people might be following this guy. Johnny Harris नाम करके एक बंदा है. He's a videographer. He has worked with Vox.
I have heard.
He still works with Vox and he's awesome. तो उसने बताया था कि how he got his job at Vox basically. उसकी एक वीडियो बहुत ही मस्त है. तो he basically applied for this job and mentioned कि I'm a motion graphic designer because Vox uses a lot of motion graphics.
Right.
And now that he has applied for the job and he has to give a portfolio and stuff, and he really badly wants to go for the job, और उसके पास deadline है कि इस दिन तक उसको अपने portfolio submit करना है. Right. This guy learned motion graphics and he's so good at it. This guy learned motion graphics in like that span of 2 weeks, और he just killed it. और उस वक्त पे जब there were no इतना अच्छा community नहीं था YouTube पे. Now, if you want to search, if you want to learn a new skill, go to YouTube and you can do almost everything.
Yeah.
So
true.
So अपने आप को फंसा दो कि there is no other option. या तो तुम्हारी full बेइज्जती होगी, तुमने कमिट कर दिया है. तो and I think इंसान का ego कभी-कभी ना उसको बहुत अच्छी चीजें करने में मजबूर कर देता है. अच्छी कभी-कभी.
Ego and revenge.
Yes. So you should use all these things as how can I say
motivation.
Catalyst. So
okay, catalyst. Engineer. Chemistry.
Yeah. Oh yes, engineer. तो chemistry से आ रही है. But yeah, yes. I think that's basically it. So much deep stuff, यार. मतलब कि it's not just must have podcast to be honest. So
yeah, whenever I can assure you, whenever you'll just hang out with me for like a coffee or something, randomly I'll talk about the same things because that's what I talk about.
And probably that's why the podcast, right?
Spread
out.
Yeah, kind of. Basically the reason was कि पहले I was doing YouTube videos, मतलब vlogs बनाता था, मतलब I was in a continuous spree की. Sorry.
And you were very consistent.
Yeah. I was putting out vlogs and then fuck coronavirus. So I was like, I need to do something. So this is a true story. I randomly woke up at like 2 in the night and I was like, I could not sleep. So I was just scrolling on YouTube. तो फिर मलिका करके एक है रोस्टिंग चैनल है उसका. तो फिर I searched and she was making like 5 to 6 minutes of videos talking about other people. So I was like, I can do the same, but I would probably not roast because that's something I cannot do. So I was like, okay, so let's do something. So I started it and I was talking about problems in my life and like general problems ki assignments kaise submit karna hai abhi is pe. And the TikTok was trending at that time. TikTok, Carrie Minati versus what was his name, Faizu something. तो फिर yeah, that was really trending. तो फिर I talked about that a little bit. Then I was like, I'm not feeling. And another thing about me, if I'm not feeling happy doing something, I would not do it. I'll not do it because I cannot give my 100% to it. So I'll just leave it. तो बीच में छोड़ दिया मैंने. Then this thing happened with Sushant Singh Rajput did suicide. So he was like really like
allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly did suicide. तो फिर that's a really long topic. I'm not going to talk about it. तो फिर तो फिर that really affected me because mental health and stuff. And then he was really like one of the main people because of whom I started working out again, because I saw him doing like Superman push-ups and stuff, and I have been following him from like the days when he was doing TV. There was something called Pavitra Rishta. तो फिर
I remember my mom used to watch it.
Same, my mom also used to watch it. That's how I got into it. So I really used to like him. Then he quit the show beach mein, and I quit watching the show also because I watched it only for him. So फिर I was following him. Then suddenly actually I was just doing some editing probably for a social media post for someone or something. I got a text ki did you know he did suicide? So like, what the fuck, he wouldn't do it because he's really a strong guy. Matlab, if you come outside from the industry and get into it and make it to the top, you gotta really have a thick skin. So I don't think he would be affected by stuff like hatred and getting deals cancelled or something, because he really did not ever do movies for like the directors or I would say commercial aspect, because he always was doing it as like something new to learn. He has like he has done probably like 63 or 67 characters, and he did it for the characters, not for the money or for anything else. So that's what I like, that really inspired me, because he was doing it to be happy, not to earn money, not to get fame or etc things. So I got affected.
To anyone.
Yeah, that really affected me. Then I stopped making videos for like a long time. Then ek mahine baad, on his death anniversary, 1 month anniversary, I released a poetry for him. So that's the last video on my channel. Then okay, coming back to this, तो फिर that's उसके बाद I was like, I'm constantly watching Logan Paul's podcast, and then Mark Donner करके, you know? Yeah, तो फिर I used to
Mark Donner, or is he a podcaster or a YouTuber?
He's a YouTuber.
Okay, I know Mark Bone, so I think I don't know.
You should check him. You should check him out. I'll send you the link. Mark Donner. He creates really cinematic vlogs, really
nice,
well
nice,
edited and short and stuff.
I'll definitely do.
Yeah, so he's also doing podcasts. So I was like, I want to express myself. I want to express my views. I cannot make vlogs. So I need to do something. So I started this podcast. That's the reason. So Friday will be your episode probably. This one.
Oh, nice. Beautiful timing. Friday's awesome.
Yep. Good Friday. On that note, we are gonna end this.
Sure.
Yep. So
I don't want to end this, but yeah.
Anything you wanna say? Last go.
I don't know. Thanks for inviting me. It's a pleasure talking to you and being on a podcast.
I just noticed my rice light just fell off from my background.
Oh, really? So,
okay, yeah.
I was saying I really wanted, although I've already been on a podcast, but I sincerely really want, just say I do a podcast as well, right?
Right.
I somehow crave this thing, when would people invite me on a podcast? Kab log mujhe bulayenge? So I feel really happy when people do it. It was really fun. It was a different podcast. I wasn't expecting this. I was kind of expecting this because I know you as a person, but I thought being a person who does make videos and stuff, I was thinking like, okay, it would be around that only, but deep stuff.
I also thought कि पहले मैं उस line of questioning करूँगा, but then I was like कि he talks about it everywhere, so this would be something different. I wanted to learn something about you.
For sure. There's a USB to it, for sure.
Yep. Okay, so
Awesome,
where
awesome.
can they find you on social? Everywhere.
So they can find me on Instagram, they can find me on YouTube, every other social
Instagram,
media platform that you can think
Medio
about,
Karan.
even TikTok, to be honest. So, so you can find me using my name. It's @MeDioKaran, MEDIOKRAN. So that's basically how I go with. तो इससे तुम सारे links आ जाएंगे इससे.